Hello everyone and welcome to this demonstration of Tipico Spotfire in Warranty Analytics. My name is Steve Farr and what I'm going to be demonstrating for you today is a very simple set of analytics that takes us through root cause analysis. The demonstration is based on some motor vehicle data which we have brought into a series of screens that will take you through what we like to call guided analytics. What we've done on the front screen here is to take a simple bitmap image and so that we can see the different areas of the car, and on that we've overlaid some pie charts, and the size of the pie chart represents the overall volume of warranty claims that we've had. The blue sector are those that have fallen within our control limit, and the red sector the percentage that falls outside the control limit. On the left hand side of the screen I've set up a very simple text area where I can use these radio buttons to trawl through the different models that we have. When I come to the 3 litre SE, it appears that I have particular issues with the climate control systems in these cars. 83% of all of the claims have fallen outside my control limit for the cost of such claims. Now that could potentially cause me an issue with the amount of the liability I've set aside in terms of warranty claims for this particular model. I'm going to want to investigate this further. As we'll see when we go through the demonstration, however, what we initially see as a worrying trend may not be the main issue that we have, or indeed the issue that we want to look at first. I'm going to select the climate control area for this particular model, and I'm going to go to my control charts. Now what we've done here is to present a fairly traditional view of control charts across the various areas of the car, and as we had already marked in green the climate control area for the 3 litre SE, this is the area which is then displayed in terms of this subsidiary visualization here. What I have on this visualization are 3 main components. To begin with, I have some bars showing overall cost across months. A very simple bar chart. Onto that, I've overlaid 2 things. First of all, my control. How do I expect the cost of warranty claims for climate control for the 3 litre SE to move over time? And in general, as the cars get older, I expect those warranty claims to go up until the end of the warranty period, when they will fall off again. And this is shown through the trend line here. The blue line is a calculation of the overall trend displayed by the bars. Sometimes it's very difficult to calculate or to estimate exactly what the trend is looking at bars over time, and so I provided a relatively simple formula here to calculate a best fit. What I can see is that the overall trend of my warranty cost in this particular area is converging with my expected, and so actually there isn't that much of an issue here. Spotfire is a highly interactive tool, and I can start to explore my data further now. Maybe I want to have a look at all areas of this car. I can do that by highlighting all of the control panels. What happens now is that Spotfire displays a trellis for me, giving the same type of graph for each of the different areas. Climate, as we saw before, the doors, the safety, the seat, and so on and so forth. And here I can very quickly look at my overall trends of warranty claims against my control limits. From this, I can immediately see that there's an issue with the dashboards. My control limit and my trend are actually diverging here. I'm probably going to want to look at this a lot further. So let's select the dashboard area. Spotfire immediately takes me onto my root cause screen. Here I can see that original graph, and if I want to, I can hover over the points and get some more detail on that. There seems to be a particular issue in the last 3 months, so let's simply select the last 3 months. Now my subsidiary visualization, showing a 100% plot of symptom codes by percentage, shows that there has been a particular issue with this particular symptom code 4E. I'd like to know what's going on with 4E, what parts are responsible for creating this particular symptom, and perhaps what suppliers provide those parts. Again, I can use Spotfire to simply select. Now I'm down to part numbers, and I've actually color-coded the part numbers according to the country that they originate from. That might be particularly important to me. And here I can see that 2 of the part numbers that contribute to a symptom code 4E are supplied from Japan. This one's supplied by partner 17 and this one by partner 62. Well, this one from partner 62 seems to be the particular issue. This is responsible for 83% of the warranty claims in and of itself. Again, I can select, and now a further visualization, an export table, is presented to me. This export table I can quickly take out and share as a visualization to Tibber if my supplier uses Tibber, or I can export it out as image, a data file, out to PowerPoint, a PDF, or to an HTML feed. This last part displays not just that Spotfire is a highly interactive tool, but also it can be a highly collaborative one. In this case, I'm choosing to communicate with the supplier of this particular part, but it could be that I also want to communicate with other colleagues around the organization. I might want to collaborate with my supply chain or with my distribution chain, telling them to look out for this problem, maybe even to recall this particular model because of this particular issue. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration, and if you'd like to find out some more, please contact us at spotfire.tibco.com. Thank you very much.